Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on Messenger. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Messenger and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.